Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this eye look that I created by using LA Colors Duo Tone eyeshadows, which looks like this right here. So if you want to see more on how I put this palette to use, just keep watching the video and I will see you in another one again shortly. Later, dolls. I'm starting out by bronzing the entire area of my eyes. With a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to take my LA Colors bronzer and apply it into the crease and over the entire mobile area of my eye in a windshield type motion. I'm then going to use my NYX eyeshadow base in the color called Skin Tone, and with the warmth of my fingertips, I'm going to take this base and apply it only on the mobile area of my eye. Again, with the warmth of my fingertips, I'm going to take the eyeshadow base and apply it only on the mobile area of my eye. Using an eyeshadow base is going to help the pigmentation of the eyeshadows to stand out that much better. I'm then going to take a pointed precision blending brush and take my LA Colors bronzer, a darker color, and focus that in heavy on the crease. I'm not going to take it up towards the brow bone. I want to place this only in the crease in a windshield type motion. I'm then going to go ahead with a flat shader brush and pick up the navy blue color, and look at how gorgeous this eyeshadow is. Oh my lord. Anyhow, with a flat shader brush, I picked up the navy blue eyeshadow and I'm patting it on my mobile eye area. Notice how I'm only patting this eyeshadow on. I'm not blending it onto my eyelid. I'm patting it. And I'm only going halfway, leaving the inner tear ducts free because I will be applying a different color there. Again, in a patting motion, I'm taking a navy blue color and just patting it on my eyelid. These colors are insanely pigmented. LA Colors have really impressed me with this eyeshadow palette. So now I'm going to go back and pick up a white eyeshadow base and tap that directly on the inner tear ducts of my eyes with the warmth of my fingertips. And then I'm going to go back to the eyeshadow and pick up the silver gray color and only apply it where I place the white eyeshadow base. Again, I'm patting on the silver gray color on the inner tear ducts where I place the white eyeshadow base. These eyeshadows have super exceeded my expectation. Insane color pigmentation. They are not chalky when applied, and they blend effortlessly easy, as you can see. I've been really enjoying LA Colors Cosmetics a lot lately. So now, just to make sure I don't have any harsh lines nor demarcations, I went back into my bronzer and I'm just going to touch up my crease and blend it in a windshield type motion, being sure that all the colors blend together more seamlessly. I don't want any harsh lines nor demarcation. So off camera, I did the false eyelashes and wing liner. I've already applied my foundation, and with my foundation blending brush, I'm going to pull this entire look together by blending my foundation together. Again, I'm using my facial blending brush to do so. Once I finish blending my face, I'm now going to highlight and contour. So I'll be starting out with my Maybelline Superstay Dark Circle Eraser. Ooh, that was a mouthful. That's going to be used as my highlight, and for the contour, I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Cream Contour Kit, and I'm placing the contour along the perimeters of my forehead as well as my high bone cheek area. With a silicone beauty blender, I'm going to blend out that highlight. I'm going to blend out that contour, but just to make sure I don't have any harsh lines and demarcations, I'm going to go back with my facial blending brush with whatever foundation is remaining on it and continue to blend everything out accordingly. So here is my liquid highlighter by LA Colors Cosmetics. I've been really enjoying it. To say it only cost me $1. I've been telling you all, do not sleep the products that are sold in your local Dollar Tree. This liquid highlighter came from my local Dollar Tree for only $1, and look at that gorgeous glow it is giving me. And with a moist beauty blender, I'm just applying it on my cheekbone area. So I'm not much of a blush wearer. Trust me, a little bit of this is definitely going to go a long way. This is by Milani Cosmetics called Rose de Rio. And this is something I've been doing lately. This is different for me. I noticed that a lot of the influencers have been trying these little white either rhinestones or white dots along the brow bone. So I thought it was something cute to try. I don't know if I'm gonna continue to do this. I was just giving it a try to see if it would work best for me, and so far it looks kind of cute. So now that I'm applying my lip liner, dolls, this is actually concluding the video. I'm now going to apply my MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Basic Nude Lippy, which will soon be available for purchase, followed by some Fenty Beauty lip gloss. And as I apply the lip gloss, yeah, this really does conclude the video. Not bad. I really do like how this eyeshadow look came out. Check for it in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.